Okay, it's April 29th, and I just wanted to do an update on yesterday's Houston drought attack. We can see this is from IntelliCast, the 24-hour precipitation totals. Let me zoom into that, and we can have a look at the Houston area. So yesterday we saw these straight line clouds with like 14 lines positioned right off the Texas coast. And what we see today is Houston basically got zero rain. Now keep in mind, the light blue is 0 to 0.25 inches. So that's a trace. And in Texas Panhandle, I know we got no rain. We had a dirt storm. There was no rain. And yet it shows that we had a trace up to 1/4 of an inch. And that's bull. So the light blue means basically no rain. Now the dark, this first shade of blue means between 1/4 and 1/2 an inch of rain. Now that's actual rain. But you can see the Houston area didn't get any rain. But my gosh, it rained 8 inches right here. That yellow bar means 8 to 12 inches right off the coast. So that's what those Haarp straight line outflow boundary does. It pushes dry air down to the coast, and that means interesting effect. Okay, we've got a bar of dry air pressed here. So look, we've got a little line of rain north of Houston, and south of the bar we have another line of rain. And of course they don't care how much it rains out in the Gulf, because they're just trying to create drought, dry up the reservoirs in Texas. So this is your follow-up on the Haarp attack on Houston yesterday. And this happens every single day. You know, another thing I got to point out is from the Dallas to Fargo line, you know, this here, they have control and they shut the rain down. Make it smaller again. And when they do the Haarp downburst, you get this circular effect. So they do this to Seattle every single day. And remember, this is a trace of rain, a trace. Montana, they don't let it rain in Montana. Texas always gets this core out here. There's always a donut of rain here. Usually it's a little bit farther south. But that's a Haarp core out. Down, the dry air stops the rain. And then, but east of this line, boy, they just cannot control it. So, but the light blue is a trace. Don't think that that's rain. According to this chart, Texas Panhandle got rain, and I know all we got was a Dust Bowl dirt storm yesterday. So, light blue does not mean rain. Okay, Houston, how do you like that? That yellow right there out in the Gulf means 8 to 12 inches of rain. And there it was. They pushed that rain right off the shore. 8 to 12 inches right there. How do you like that? That's a slap in the face. Okay, thanks.